Welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. In this video, we will be practicing IELTS speaking, only part 1. But we have a new and innovative way. We'll be testing multiple people for same questions and see how they answer for each of them. Firstly, we have someone who do not know about the test, IELTS test. Secondly, we have someone who knows a bit, he's practicing IELTS. Third, we have a person who actually takes feedback for IELTS. And last, I'll be answering those questions.
If you want to watch amazing videos where delicious food is being cooked, do not forget to visit A1 Cooking channel. They have amazing videos as well as shorts, right? Street foods, homemade foods, all types. Mostly I would say homemade and healthy as well, such as protein salad, cheese paratha, something with karela and all. Just do not forget to visit them. They have a lot of videos and good content.
Who do you spend most time studying and working with?
I spend most of the time with my cousin named Sam. He is a very polite person. He is very humble to me. I am preparing IELTS and he is also my IELTS trainer.
I love to study with my friends because currently I am pursuing engineering, and generally in engineering there is a trend of group studying. So I like more group studying rather than alone.
I'm a YouTuber by profession, and hence I spend most time with the partner that I started this YouTube channel with. His name is Sam. And mostly my day includes to record a video and discuss the theme and the script with my partner. And later on, once everything is settled, we end up recording a video.
I believe I spend most of my time working and studying with my wife. She is my partner in my business as well as in my work. Well, I do not study anymore, hence I cannot say about that, but work definitely, she's the person. Actually, I take the classes for IELTS and she takes care of English and other work. So we spend time together and do plan a lot of things.
What kinds of things do you study or work on with other people?
I don't like study or working with other people because I am very close to Sam and I know him very well and he knows me very well also. So I don't like work or study with other people.
Generally, I like to learn more about my course only because right now, as I am pursuing engineering, so I am focusing on my career. So I love to studying about my subject related to computers and things like that.
At this moment, I'm not studying much. I'm more into working for my YouTube channel. So I happen to write scripts about various topics that a person might use in their daily life, what kinds of struggle an English speaker face. These are major content that I'm working on. And at times, maybe a little bit, I have to study for the script writing part.
Mostly it is collaboration because I'm a YouTuber. Apart from that, I'm a trainer. So collaboration and teaching related things, such as I record videos with others. I ask them for helping with the camera or asking them for editing, or I go with them and purchase things related to YouTube or teaching. So mainly collaboration or teaching related stuff.
Are there times when you study or work better by yourself?
Yeah, there are several times when I am studying with myself because when my IELTS trainer Sam busy in his work and when my family goes out, so there is a time when I'm studying alone.
Yeah, generally in nights I love to study more because of there is no crowd or noise, so I can focus on my studies and I can concentrate more.
There are a lot of times when I like and I prefer to study or work by myself. As I mentioned that I have to write a lot of scripts in my day-to-day life. And when I'm writing a script, I invest more time in studying by myself and gaining content about that particular article. Moreover, it's something that everyone should do because it kind of gives you an insight on the topic properly.
Definitely. Most of the time I would say not sometime because I'm a person who is a bit by himself. So I always stay inside in my room and try to get new ideas and work on those ideas, make them into implementation till the end. So mostly I would say I work with myself, and get great results mostly.
Is it important to like the people you study or work with?
Yeah, it is very important to study or work with your partner, because there is a relation between you and your partner.
Yeah, for sure. It is important, because if you not like the people, so the understanding will be there will be no understanding between the people, so you can't understand what are you studying, and you can't focus on your studies and on the task on which you are working. So that's why.
It really matters a lot, honestly, because if you have a good relationship with that person and if you guys are on the same page, the end product will be amazing. You won't be having conflicts with the ideas. You will create something more, better, or something very productive than you will be doing with somebody who has conflicts with your ideas. So definitely, yes, it's a good idea to be having a mutual relationship with that person.
Yes, it is really important, because without that you won't be able to have the perfect or optimum solution or optimum performance, you would say that. If everyone is in sync, definitely your performance and their performance will increase, and in the end your business or work will have a productive side to that, not without anyone's cooperation. Definitely not. Definitely you need to like people who are working with.